A robot stuntman that dazzles in the air.
An AI that dribbles like a basketball superstar.
And special glasses that help the blind see again.
This is beyond innovation.
Our platform basically utilizes ultrasound as a means to non-invasively deliver drugs into the eye. We see a huge unmet need in terms of the current state of the art.
In some cases, some leagues surpass traditional sports world championships already. So I think it'll only continue to grow. We're still in the early stages of esports, as a global phenomenon. So the seat at the table is not only warranted, at some point here, esports may need its own table.
We're using leading edge tech in the form of optics, cameras, microprocessors, and we've put it together in this hardware platform that gets the most out of whatever vision is left for these patients.